Hello, my name is Jason from Delaney Knives. I got the forge heating up here. We're gonna make a knife today. One of the first things you want to do when you're forging your knife is to forge the point kind of on a recurve, so that way when you forge out your bevel it comes back up to be where you want it to be. We're going to start setting our bevel in. You want to put your edge where you want to start on your anvil, leave the back hang off. We're forging out the tapered tang in the forging press and just drawing that out and making a nice arc for the handle. Now that we got the tang tapered out, we're going to use the hot cut and cut the end to length. We'll finish out our handle. see me doing here is a little bit of texturing on the knife. Just give it some, you know, notches, kind of looks like a file. Here's a little tool that I made. Just has like a little point on the back, and then when you hit it, it makes a nice texture on there. Alright, we got our integral guard forged in and shaped out the hand a little bit, close enough to take it to the grinder. This is what she looks like. Alright, this is the knife we've been working on. I hit it with a grinder a little bit just to clean up the bottom edge. Didn't really need much because we mostly had it forged down. Has the hammered guard, tapered tang on the knife. Just a hammered finish on the blade. I have to put the holes in and do the heat treating still. But there it is. I'll put up some pictures when I get it finished up.